Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. This Transporter comes with a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out 150 PS, it comes as a short wheelbase which makes it easier to manoeuvre, and it comes in a candy white colour with a solid finish. Starting off with the front exterior features, this Transporter comes with electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors as well as a heated front windscreen. This is just perfect for those cold mornings and those icy conditions. You also get front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety when you're manoeuvring the vehicle. This vehicle sits on 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. You also get alloy wheel security locking bolts and the steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving round to the back for the rear exterior features, this Transporter comes with rear loading barn doors, easy to access the loading area, and you get rear parking sensors for when you are reversing. Opening the barn doors, you can see that you have a very spacious loading area which allows you to fit up all your equipment and belongings. You can see that the interior is fully ply-lined which adds the extra bit of durability, including the steel bulkhead at the centre front. Alternative access to the loading area can be made by the single sliding door on the passenger side. This just adds an extra bit of convenience and makes your life easier when you are trying to get in and out of the vehicle, as well as deload and load your goods. Moving into the front of the van, you can see there's a 3-seater passenger bench including the driver's seat. The driver's seat has armrests for extra bit of comfortability, and the seats are covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery. You have a 6.5-inch infotainment system. This infotainment system allows you to listen to your favourite radio stations. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This also allows you to use the navigation on your device to help you with traffic updates. In front of the driver is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favourite music, control the volume, answer calls and use the inbuilt cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. Thank you for watching and goodbye.